everybody, I hope you're doing well, and today I'm sharing a start on a new still life demonstration. We're going to be working on a white 8x10 canvas, and this is the arrangement that I have set up for the moment. I'm going to do a close-up perspective on it, and I'm keeping it simple, so there's going to be 3 lemons in the white picture. I have a nice sort of bright pinkish tone underneath with a little bit darker version in the background, and then the gray. And I will use sheets of paper like this that I get. They're actually for, I think it's for the scrapbooking area in like Michael's or something. And I often use these just for color references. They help me in the composition, just work with maybe shifting up color and exploring that more in the work. So what I've done so far, got my easel all set, the canvas, and I did a little sketch just before I started the video to map out how I envision it on the 8x10. The sketch is kind of rough, but I've got just the forms and some general hints at the shadows, and this also helps me get familiar with the subject. It's like starting a relationship, so I find that doing a little preliminary sketch definitely helps imprint this in my head before I'm actually stepping out to draw it in with paint. And I'm not going to do that on this clip. I'm going to do that starting on the next one, but I also want to mention that on the last clip I used a limited palette. I kept it just to the primary colors. On this one I'm going to use a full palette of colors. I've got quite a few here, and I don't know that I'll use all of them, but it's going to be a different experience because I will be expanding the color base beyond just using red, yellow, and blue. So I just wanted to put that out there, and like I said, this is going to be the arrangement, and I'll be starting that up in the next day or so and follow up with another clip. So I hope you enjoy this and come back to watch how it unfolds. Alright, take care. Bye.